Still ahead, a daring young girl and her flying machine. Her cross-country adventure when we come back. Now let's go back to Bruce Kirk at Sky Harbor Airport with a story about a very special flight there.
Absolutely, Ken. We were part of history here in Phoenix. Whether a lot of people at home may not know that tonight, we're going to tell you about it. This was the second to last stop tonight, as you said, for a piece of history to be made as an 11-year-old girl hit the record books. There she is right there. This is Vicki Van Meter from Meadville, Pennsylvania, the home of Allegheny University, checking out her plane for a trip to San Diego. She left Maine on Monday, hoping to become the youngest female to pilot a plane across the U.S. She has her flight instructor with her and some people taking pictures there. She says it has been rough going at times, but for the 11-year-old, it's also been a whirlwind of a trip.
For the major stops, it was Harrisburg for lunch, then Columbus to spend the night, then it was St. Louis for lunch, Oklahoma City to spend the night, then it was Albuquerque for lunch, and then here to spend the night. So then from here, we're just going to go to San Diego because it's not far.
And there she is, landing in San Diego, a little to the left, a little to the right. We're back on the ground in San Diego. The record-setting trip comes to an end. Vicki landing this afternoon just before 2 o'clock, becoming the youngest female to pilot a plane across the country. She says she is tired, but before she heads home, she wants to go to Houston to meet some of the shuttle astronauts, and she says she'd like to become an astronaut herself someday. And by the way, Kent, she will be on the Chevy Chase show tomorrow night. She says that's probably the biggest thrill of the whole thing.
And just think, in 5 years, she can get her driver's license. That's amazing.
Right.